Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about a plan of 45 feet length and 25 feet wide. So the total area of this plot is 1125. As we can see in the plan, there is a 20 feet wide road in front of plot and good drainage facility, and also have the facility of sewer line. So we don't need to provide septic tank in the plan. First of all, let's discuss about a porch area. I have provided a porch of dimension 8 feet wide and 12 feet 4 inch length, and also have gate of 8 feet, and we have provided a stair in the porch. And if we talk about the stairs steps of riser 7 inch and trade 9.5 inch, and the landing of 3 feet 3 inch square, means 3 feet 3 inch length and 3 feet 3 inch width. So we can see that we have a stair of 3 feet 3 inch wide. It's a standard. Let's move forward. We have provided a lawn of width 4 feet and depth is approximately 12 feet. The main purpose of providing this lawn is to provide a good ventilation to the guest room and also to the kitchen. Now let's talk about the guest room. We have given the length and width of guest room is 9 feet 6 inch by 11 feet 7 inch, and also provided entrance from the porch so that guest can come into the guest room easily without disturbing other family members, and we also can serve guest easily as we have provided kitchen next to the guest room. Kitchen has dimension of 6 feet wide and 10 feet in the length, and also we have provided a fridge area separately and dining area in front of kitchen, and we have provided a main entrance for the lobby, namely D2. The width of this door is 4 feet and it directly opens to the lobby. So if you directly wants to enter in the lobby, so you can use this door also. And we have one common toilet and bathroom. Toilet has dimension 4 feet by 3 feet 6 inch, and we have a common bathroom which has dimension 4 feet wide and 6 feet 3 inch in length. So it's also a good space. Let's move forward. We have provided 2 bedroom. One is of 11 feet 1 inch by 12 feet 6 inch, which has almirah of 6 feet in the length and 24 inches, means 2 feet depth. This almirah has good storing capacity, and also we have provided attached lat bath, and same we have provided in the second bedroom of length and width 10 feet 9 inch by 12 feet 6 inch. This bedroom also have almirah of 12 inches deep, means 2 feet and 6 feet in the length, and this almirah also have a good storing capacity. Also we have provided a attached latrine bathroom with second bedroom, and the bathroom which has attached with the second bedroom also have dressing room as clients demand, and also provide a OTS for the good ventilation. So that's all about the plan we have discussed. Friends, whatever we have discussed, it's all about the architectural plan. We didn't talk about the structural details and plans. If you need any structural details, ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.